Start. We were pleading that a crop insurance scheme should be talked out so that it would give relief to the farmer. Stop. His crop has to depend on the vagaries of nature. Stop. Sometimes there are droughts and sometimes there are heavy floods, comma, and all that. Stop. So there should be a crop insurance scheme. Stop. I hope the government will consider this matter. Stop era. Then there is the question of excise duty on BDs. Stop. I do not know why the government did not leave this item. Stop. BD is used by the commonest man and it is not a luxury item. Stop. I appeal to the government that even at this late stage they should reconsider their stand. Stop. They should not be dogmatic on this matter and they should not take it as a prestige issue. Stop. After all, comma, BD is being consumed by the commonest man. Stop. Lakhs and lakhs of people are dependent on BD for their livelihood, comma, they are working as BD workers in BD factories. Stop. So I appeal to the government that the excise duty on BDs should be reduced and there should be no tax on BDs. Stop era. Sir, comma, I may also bring to the notice of the government another important matter of the Karnataka state. Stop. In Karnataka state, comma, the constitutional machinery has failed today and the central government has appointed judge to go into the corruption charges against the chief minister of Karnataka. Stop. This is the first time that a chief minister has challenged the authority of the central government to appoint a judge against his will. Stop. The chief minister says that the central government has got no authority to appoint a judge against his will. Stop. Now the matter is pending in the Supreme Court. Stop. Not only that, the Karnataka chief minister appointed his own judge to go into the corruption charges against him and his own officers to place the records before the judge appointed by him. Stop. That thing is going on in Karnataka. Stop. Apart from this, comma, rebel ministers have come up. Stop. The chief minister and the ministers are collectively responsible to the people at large, comma, but what is going on there? Stop. The chief minister has no confidence in his own ministers. Stop. They are known as rebel ministers. Stop. Neither have they resigned from the Karnataka cabinet, comma, nor has the chief minister shunted them out. Stop. These are the affairs of the Karnataka state. Stop. I plead the central government to take appropriate steps to run the government machinery smoothly. Stop.